Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I am back with another video, guys. Today I'm going to be filming with you guys a nursery organization, and I'm just going to be showing you guys like my tips, tricks, how I have everything in the nursery organized and everything like that. I don't want to make this intro too long, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys just a quick overview of the nursery. If you guys want an in-detail video, I will link it down below. I do have a full nursery tour showing you guys where everything is from and everything in detail. But today I'm mainly going to be going through the dresser, showing you guys how I organize that, and a little bit of the closet. And that's pretty much it. Just showing you guys how I got everything organized, easy to find things, and everything like that. So let's turn the camera around. And you guys will see me in the mirror there. But anyway, so this is just a quick overview of the room. It's a little bit messy. I got some stuff going on there. But yeah, so this is mainly what we're going to be going through, which is the dresser here. I finally got that organized. I know I mentioned in my nursery tour that it was a hot mess. I don't even think I showed you guys what was inside of there because it was just not ready to be seen. But it is now. It's pretty much done. So we'll go ahead and get right into it. This dresser is from IKEA if you guys are interested, and I will link it down below. But on this first dresser here, this is mainly where I keep the diapers and wipes, everything that she pretty much uses on a day-to-day basis. What I do want to mention is these drawers are different sizes. The two top drawers here are much I don't know how to explain it, but they're smaller in depth. Like, they're not as deep as these two drawers on each side down here. So just keep that in mind if you're interested in this dresser. The top one is not as deep as the other two. But anyway, so on this side I have this stocked up with diapers. Now we've been going through them like crazy, obviously, so this little row is missing. But basically what I keep on this side next to this organizer is just all diapers. Yes, these are blue. Somebody actually gave these to me. These are the Honest diapers, and they had a baby boy, but honestly it really doesn't matter to me. She couldn't use them anymore because her son outgrew them, so she was nice enough to give them to me, so I kept them. And like I said, the color really doesn't matter that much to me. And then on this side I just have an extra thing of wipes. The wipes that I currently have open and are using when I change her diaper are always up at the top here, just for easy access. I don't have to open the drawer for that. They're already there. Wipe her and go. And these are just an extra pair or extra pack of wipes when I run out of those. So yeah, wipes and stuff here. And then basically to the right here I have this organizer, which I absolutely love. I got it as a set on Amazon, and I will link that down below as well if you guys are interested. And basically I think this is like an underwear organizer, but I basically have all of her burp cloths here, and then all of these here are her washcloths. Just if I need to wipe her face off, cleaner, or for bath time, I use these a lot too. But I have all burp cloths here. And then here I have mittens. These are all white mittens. These are black ones. And then gray ones. They're kind of stuck down there, but those are the gray ones. And then next to it are socks. So all of these are white socks, pink. These are just like fun socks that have like little bows and stuff. And then just another random pair of socks. She doesn't have like too many, but most of them are really just basic colored socks and stuff like that. So yeah, so all of those right there are socks. And then after that is all bibs. I honestly don't really use a lot of bibs with her. Every now and then I use them, but these are all bibs here, and these as well. Now the thing I like about this is I can easily take it out. Like if something is in the back where I can't reach it, I can take it out with not everything falling all over the place, and I can grab what I need. So like I said, these are bibs. And then over here I just have like two little teeter toys. I have that one and this little like ring pop looking one there. And then over here, this is just one of the bibs that has a teether toy at the end. I don't have anything in these back three, but I'm sure it'll get filled up in the future. But I really like this. Like I said, if I for some reason needed to go through this whole thing, I can just take it out the drawer and go. Nothing falls apart. I have that nice big space there that I can just put the organizer back. So definitely recommend. And then also behind there I just have a little hooded towel for her baths, but a lot of her bath stuff stays next to my bed since she's still sleeping in our room and she takes the bath in our bathroom. So this is a lot of just extra stuff in case I need it. But that is basically it for this drawer. I'm going to actually just go through this whole side here and then I'll hop on this side here. So basically in the next drawer, this is what it looks like. And guys, look at that. I think it's called KonMari folding. Don't quote me on it. I think that's what it's called. But I literally refolded all of her clothes. And it's all super organized and easy to find. That way if my husband needs to come pick out an outfit for her. Sorry, these labels are just coming off. But if my husband needs to come pick out an outfit for her, I can tell him, listen, go get a newborn onesie and everything is labeled. So like I said, I did the KonMari folding because it just looks nicer and it's easier to see what's in there, the color of it, everything like that. So basically what I did is I just, let's see if this will get in focus for me here. So basically I just used a label gun and I labeled these by the sizes. So this is newborn because she's still in newborn clothes. This is 0 to 3 months. And then over here is 3 to 6. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of these sizes here. She is still a newborn. She has not gone over to 0 to 3 yet. She's on the smaller side on her weight and stuff like that. So anyway, basically every 2 rows is that size. So all of these here are newborn. The next 2 rows are 0 to 3. And the last 2 rows are 3 to 6. So that's just how I keep it nice and organized. And it's very full. So I'm not buying any more clothes on these sizes because she has enough plus stuff that she has in her closet. But everything that are in her drawers are sleepers or regular just onesies that are the clip ones at the bottom. So like I said, I usually will do sleepers on the left hand side for that size, and then on the right hand side will be all her onesies or like 2-piece outfits, things like that. And I did that with every size. So again, the whole left side is sleepers, right side are outfits that have a matching top and bottom or just regular onesies. I just try to keep it like that so I know, okay, everything to the left is a pajama or onesie for her. Everything to the right will be like a going out outfit. But I definitely recommend, if you do have a label maker, definitely label. It just makes it so much easier than having to take out an item. Oh, this is cute. I want to see what size it is to put it on her. And then if it's the wrong size, you got to refold it, put it back. So I definitely recommend labeling. I'm obsessed with the label gun now and I'm about to label like everything in my house. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the second drawer here. And then the last drawer on this side consists of all pants here. Sorry guys, let me just get down here real quick. So yeah, everything at the bottom is all pants. Now I also did label these, as you guys can see here. I labeled it bottoms, and then as you see there's 3 rows here of clothes. So this side is all newborn, this is all 0 to 3, and this side is all 3 to 6, because I wanted to make sure there was, you know, a difference between what sizes are what, so I know what I can grab, what's going to fit her at the time, you know, etc. So again, these organizers came in a pack. I bought 2 different packs, so I will link both of them down below because they're not all of them were from the same pack. There were 2 different packs that I did purchase. But yeah, so these are all like her little bloomers, leggings, some little tutus back there as well. And then this side consists of her bigger sizes, which are 6 months there. Hopefully that gets in focus there. And then 12 months. So this is 6. Everything else here is 12 months. But like I said, guys, these organizers are the best. They keep everything nice and sturdy. Again, if you need to take it out, you literally could just pull the whole thing out. And it's easy access. The reason I didn't do it for this one is because everything is so snug. The organizers weren't working. It was creating less space for me because I had so much stuff here. So that's why I didn't use them there. But for the items that I don't have too much stuff, it works out much better. And it looks more organized in my opinion. So that is on this drawer. And then moving on to the right side of the dresser here, this is again labeled. Over here we have swaddles. So these are her Halo sleep sacks. I can never say that. Halo sleep sacks are all here. And then next to it we have her crib sheets. She only has an extra one because the one's on her bed already. And then over here I have all her changing pad covers, so the little liners, and then also these covers as well. So that's all of this. This is just a bag that kept my little wrap in it. I just threw that in there because I didn't know where else to put it. And then lastly, over here are just extra blankets. Usually I keep her thin ones here. Any fluffy big ones I put in this little basket over here behind her hamper. So anything that's bigger or thicker, I just roll it up and I put it in that basket there. These are mainly her thin blankets here. But yeah, this one's pretty simple. Just, you know, swaddles, crib sheets, blankets, liners. And then right below it, we have her bigger sizes. So not too much stuff here. I definitely will have to stock up when she gets a little bit bigger. But for right now, honestly, we're good. Like I said, she hasn't even moved to 0 to 3 yet. So we have a little while before we get to these sizes. These sizes are 6 months, 6 to 9, and 9 months. So I have one single organizer here, another single, and a double here, just because I didn't have too much stuff. Obviously, as she gets more clothes, it will change, you know, when she graduates out of this size, and this drawer will probably look more like this one did. But yeah, just labeled it all here. Again, KonMari folding, love it, looks so good in the drawers. But that's pretty much it here. Same exact thing as the other one, just the next size up. I basically try to keep all her clothes in the middle drawer that I use the most. She doesn't wear too much bottoms because a lot of the things she wears are footed already. That's why I kept them towards the bottom. And then the last drawer over here is kind of empty. I know I can move this out and have more space, but this is just kind of an extra drawer. I put all her shoes in here. She doesn't have a bunch of shoes because she can't even fit them. So this is honestly a lot, in my opinion, since she's such a little baby. They don't really wear shoes. Like, I can get away with just socks for her. But anyway, this little organizer came in one of the packs and it fit her shoes perfectly. If you guys actually watched my baby haul, you saw already a good chunk of these shoes that I bought. So yeah, basically just have this little thing and it's perfect. I say, hey, if I tell my husband, come bring me her shoes, he can literally just take this whole thing, bring it to me. I pick out which one I want and he brings it all back. So that's why I love those. And then back here, just a bigger size shoe, which obviously will not fit her anytime soon. These were just given to me and I thought they were really cute and I just wanted to keep them. So I have those there. And then back here are bathing suits. It's Florida. We're definitely going to get a lot of use out of these. So I definitely will have to buy some more bathing suits as she gets bigger. But that's in that organizer. And then the next thing I have here is just the life vac. Definitely a must-have item for safety precautions. Definitely recommend any pregnant mama or any moms out there that have children, purchase one of these. You never know when you might need one. I actually have to take it out and put it all together. That way, if something were to happen, it's easy access. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for the dresser. Like I said, the wipes, lotions, and creams I keep up here because I like to have easy access for them. I usually just use A and D with her. I don't really use this anymore because she has a really sensitive skin. Actually, in the comments down below, if you guys have any recommendations for good lotions for them, for babies with really sensitive skin, let me know in the comments down below. And then last thing I have on here is just another little organizer that just has her hats. She doesn't wear hats too often. As you can tell, she is a bow kind of girl. But yeah, so I really put her in bows most of the time. But I did have these hats that I thought were cute and I didn't want to really give them away yet. So these are just on top of here if we decide to use them. I know when we go to Texas, I'll probably bring some since it will be cold. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for the dresser. I'm going to quickly show you guys an overview of the closet and that will be it. So right over here is the closet. Don't mind the missing door. I have to put it back. It got messed up. But yeah, I got messed up, so I have to put it back. But basically in here, all of these diapers I got from my gender reveal, baby shower, everything like that. Such a blessing, guys, honestly. This will last me probably till she's about 6 months. She's already 2.5 months basically, and I haven't had to buy diapers yet. So I have all her extra diapers and wipes there, and then I just have this travel playpen that just sits in here. I also have just her extra stroller attachments, which if you want to know what I'm talking about, look at my baby shower haul, I explained how that works. But then basically all here are all items that need to be hung up. Jackets, little like dresses, little jumpsuits, rompers, everything like that that I don't like folded and I like to see it out. I have all here. I do have them organized by size from newborn all the way up to like 12 months. Now I do need to buy the little rings from Amazon. They're like 10 bucks. That way it can divide them and I can see the actual sizes instead of having to go and check the items. So definitely do that. I just haven't ordered mine. I always forget every time I go on Amazon, but I'm going to do that tonight and add those in there. And then lastly, basically up here, I have one of the toys that I'm saving for her when she gets older, which are the Frozen dolls there. Now there's formula there. I was given that, I think, from like these free things that you sign up for and they give you free formula. I'm keeping that just in case as a precaution if I cannot breastfeed anymore her. But obviously I'm not trying to use those, but they are there just in case. And then right next to it, I have this little magazine like holder box that I got in like a pack of 5 for like $1 at IKEA. Guys, this is a huge lifesaver. I labeled it manuals and I keep the manuals for the crib, for high chairs, anything that I need to keep a manual for, like the strollers, just in case I need to refer back to it. I put everything there. That way I don't have to go searching for it. Like, it's all I have to do is come in the closet and look through that manual box. So I definitely recommend, if you like to keep instructions on things, get a little magazine holder. You can find those anywhere. I think you can even get them at the dollar store, and just put all the instructions. I even have like extra pieces for the high chair that are in here. But yeah, definitely do that. It's a huge lifesaver. Saves you the headache of having to look for all these things. And then right next to it are basically just these 2 bins that I got from Ross. They're so cute. They go with the aesthetic here. And they are a Velcro cover. And basically it's really just miscellaneous stuff in here. I have more play mats folded up in there for her. It's basically kind of like this concept, but I have more than one. So I keep the extras in there. And then on this side is more of a sentimental box. So I have like clothes I don't want to get rid of that she's outgrown, or just things that I want to keep and I'm not ready to part with just yet. So that's basically a miscellaneous sentimental box there for me. And then last thing over there is just a part of a high chair thing. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I honestly feel so much better about this room now. I've got it at a good system, really organized, and it just doesn't feel chaotic walking in here. And I feel like I can find things nice and easy and it's not a big headache. Plus, like I said, if my husband needs to find anything, it's labeled, so he can never say I don't know where something is, because it's right there in writing for you. So anyway, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more organization videos, let me know. I'm going to be doing a couple makeovers in my house, so I can definitely film that process for you guys if you'd like. Or if you just want to see how it looks after, I can do before and after. So let me know if you guys like those type of videos. But don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.